Market forecast number one. Today is September 18th of 2023, and I'm going to do a market forecast to see where the market is going, what is more likely to happen today, and also get the daily bias, the most important levels that the market may reach to, and that's it. So we are in a 1 hour chart. Euro dollar. So let's go back to the daily time frame, actually the weekly time frame. So on the weekly, we see that the market has been trending down all the way, and basically looks like it's doing a sort of pullback here on the weekly, and we can see that some sell-side liquidity has been reached. We can see that a little bit more clear on the daily chart, right? If we have a look here, we had a liquidity level that was exactly here, and last week we reached that level. So right now I have to figure out what the market is going to do next. So we also have this liquidity level, sell-side liquidity on the daily chart, and this one is basically like almost equal lows. If we go down on the daily chart, we can see that it has created a fair value gap, right here. And last week I was analyzing this fair value gap, and as far as I see, this fair value gap is being created in multiple time frames. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that it's a little bit higher, of course, but in 4-hour, there is also a fair value gap right in almost in the exact zone. Like the zone is the same, but it's not as precise as the daily time frame. But yeah, we know that there is a gap here that needs to be filled, and once the price reaches that gap, we may start to see bearish movement. All right, so here on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that there is a fair value gap, and also the price has reached this sell-side liquidity last week. Okay, it was taken. The price took that liquidity, reached that sell-side liquidity on the daily time frame, and then right now it's going up on a bullish bias. All right, which right now I have to know what the bias of the day will be. So basically, let's check the 1-hour time frame. All right. So in the 1 hour, what I'm expecting today is to see price to move to that imbalance. Right. I believe that price moves from liquidity to imbalance to liquidity. So basically, the price has taken out this liquidity zones right here, this one, and this one, and then that's breaking out until that liquidity zone right below on the daily chart. And right now what it's doing is reaching this liquidity zone. I don't consider this as it has already reached. I don't consider this. I will consider if it goes a little bit up, a little bit more than it went before. So we can see that that gap will be filled, because I also don't consider this, because basically on a 4-hour time frame, we can see that if we're gonna mark out this gap, it's not even gonna be there. So wait, let me just get the right gap right here. See, 24-hour, we don't have that gap right here. The gap is a little bit up, so I wouldn't consider it. The confluence will be this zone. All right, the beginning of the daily fair value gap and the 4-hour fair value gap. Um, Basically, we have this swing high right here, and what I want to see today, considering that the price is going to reach that fair value gap, that imbalance and balance price again, I want to see that swing high to be taken out. I want to see that buy side liquidity to be taken out, right? Oh, no. Okay. I want to see this swing high to be taken out. All right. Um. Okay. So now let's go a little bit down to see if we have a little bit more confluence on the fair value gap. Yes, we have. It's basically on the 4-hour time frame and the 30-minute time frame. The fair value gap is almost the same. If we go down to the 15-minute time frame, it's also the same fair value gap. 5-minute, probably not. May have been divided into two candles, but no, yeah, still here. So yeah, this zone is a very good zone for retracement, right? For the end of a retracement. Let's see how the market has been behaving from New York midnight, all right, and from 5 p.m. Friday, all right, because on midnight, of course, is New York midnight, and that's why we have to consider this time parameter, and we also have to consider that if we analyze it, we're gonna see that the daily candle opens at 5 p.m. right? So if I mark this down here, exactly at 5 p.m., the open price, and if I go to the daily chart, I'm gonna see that today's candle open on this price. All right. Let me just no, I'm not gonna put a vertical line, just an horizontal. Let me just type it down. Monday open, candle open. Sunday. Oh, this is Sunday. Friday, Sunday. All right. Yeah, not Monday, but Sunday. Yep. Sunday. All right. Sunday. What is wrong? Okay, Sunday. All right. Let's go to the daily and check this out. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it's right here. Let me just confirm this. Sunday open. Sunday open. All right. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. I don't know. Sunday open. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So basically, the daily time frame, the daily candle opens on the New York 5 p.m. time. All right, and we have that Sunday open. If we consider that this will be probably a bullish day, so I won't change that bias right here. I actually use that TradingView watermark indicator to just remind me of what is the daily bias. So yeah, let's check out how has the price been behaving from New York midnight. All right. Okay. So once it opened, it has taken this high, this buy side liquidity. All right. You got liquidity right here. It didn't reach that high exactly, but it got into the zone, but I'm not going to consider that as taking out high. especially because we have this high. So yeah, I'm only going to consider this high as a high that has been taken out. And then after that, it took right after that the sell side liquidity, which was resting right below this low, right, this swing low, and eventually got to this swing low. All right. So what I'm expecting to see is that, for example, we have Sunday open, and if we go to the daily chart, I want to see as the bias may be bullish today. I want to see no, green, no, whatever. No, the text. Okay. Style, border, background. Okay. Opacity, 100%. Okay, I want to see. No, that's not gonna work. Okay. Have to make a fat candle. All right. I'm a little bit perfectionist, but I shouldn't be like that. But anyway, okay, it's not yet. All right. So basically, when price opens, so let's say price open here, and the daily bias is bullish. What I want to see first, what I want to see is the open price, right? First, as the power of 3 says, we get manipulation down, right? Manipulation down and accumulation of liquidity, and after that, a move up. I don't know how high it's gonna go. I think it can't reach that fair value gap today, but we have a move up. All right. So basically, I want to see a wick right here. All right, with manipulation and accumulation of liquidity, and after that, I want to see a big, not exactly big, but I want to see a move up as the bias is bullish, and we have a lot of confluence factors saying that the price today will probably be bullish, and then it will probably form a wick on the end of the day, and then price is going to close, distributing liquidity, and then we have the candle close, the daily candle close. So if we analyze the daily time frame, we can see that there has already been manipulation and accumulation right here. There's already a wick, so I'm going to consider that this phase already happened, right? We already got some lows taken out, right? Even if the bias today is bullish, which is normal to happen as the power of 3 works. So what I want to see right now is a bullish movement, right? I'm just, okay. What I want to see right now, when I start trading, of course, is a displacement of this high, and after that, of course, those highs. But basically, only displacing this high would be enough. I want to see this high being displaced, and after that, I want to see a retracement, and we gotta check if the price leaves us a fair value gap or something like that. Basically, fair value gap, because right now I'm just trading for fair value gaps. And right after that, I think there may be a trading opportunity being formed right here. Just one thing I have to check a bit right before. Let's check the news for today so we don't get caught in any news. All right. Basically, we only have. Oh, what time is it? Okay. Okay, this is configured to be New York time. Basically, we only have news at the end of the day. So, yeah, good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, here in investing also. You're okay. We have it. All right. Okay. Okay. Euro USD like 830. All right. We have speech. Then 11 a.m. Right. So 10 a.m. I'm probably gonna stop trading. Uh, except if I have a ongoing trade. All right. But I have to keep an eye at 8:30, and of course, we know that we always we almost always have news at 8:30 a.m. New York time. So yeah, this is to be expected, and this is actually good, right? So yeah, this is the market forecast for today, and let me see if I missed something. This high, all right. This is actually the daily low. And if we go to the daily chart, this kind of is funny. Let me just hide everything. Okay, we have that high here, right? And I want to see that high being taken out, all right? The buy side liquidity. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame again, so we can check out that this high was this high. Why is it here? This high, all right. So throughout the day, I want to see that high to be taken out. I want to see that this liquidity zone is going to be reached, and of course, first this liquidity zone. But once this liquidity is reached, there may be already a setup, right, being formed. Actually, right now, it's formed a fair value gap right here, but it is not my setup because the environment is not the environment I want to be trading into. There is no displacement. This is not the time I'm going to trade. I'm only going to start trading at midday here in Portugal, and after that, I'm going to start to look for opportunities. But we didn't get a displacement here. Of course, we had this displacement, but no, I'm not going to trade before this high to be taken out. This is the plan for today. All right, I want to see that high to be taken out. So we're going to probably reach that daily buy side liquidity. Just change. All right, and I'm just check what would happen here. I'm just position the trade here and check what would happen. All right, so basically we have the fair value gap, the 3 candle pattern, and through this pattern, I can position my stop loss like around here, and then my take profit like here. So 1-on-1 trade, and I think it will be take profit. But anyways, just for statistics, I'm gonna put this trade into my forward testing Notion page, which I'm gonna show you right now. All right, all right, okay. I usually do, position trading view trades like that to generate statistics, so I can check out if it works or if it doesn't, right? Just to say it out clear, even to myself, so I don't take these trades. Yeah. So for the daily forecast, I think that's it. Um, we don't have anything more, in my opinion. I think this is the proper forecast analysis I would do. Like, yeah. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye.